Why Odoo Accounting has been transformed from being a rather weak app in Odoo to a real strength of Odoo with the support of KPMG. Get in this video some inputs, including feedback from financial key decision makers in enterprise companies. Hello everybody, my name is Tobias Hammeke, founder and CEO of Odoo Business Software Solutions. Welcome to another episode of Why Odoo. Managing finances efficiently is key for any business. Odoo has worked closely with KPMG over the past years to refine its accounting capabilities, and the results are outstanding. Before diving into features, let's have a look at two CFO feedbacks. One financial director of a large corporation stated recently, "After extensive analysis of SAP, Microsoft and Odoo, we found Odoo to be the best technology for us in the future." Another mid-sized company, initially very skeptical regarding Odoo's accounting functionalities, now even see Odoo Accounting as a strong advantage after a detailed proof of concept from ourselves. These insights prove Odoo Accounting is now on par with market leaders like SAP, thanks probably as well to its development and collaboration with KPMG. Let's briefly mention some key functionalities. For example, Odoo's user-friendly interface reduces training efforts. Its flexible dashboards provide real-time financial insights for smarter decision-making. Automated invoicing processes, payment reconciliation, and tax calculations save time and reduce errors. Odoo 18 is now fully GOBD certified, reflecting its maturity here as well. For older versions, we can still use our own certified modules. Odoo supports multi-company setups with consolidated reports, local tax compliance in almost all countries, and making it ideal for globally operating businesses. As member of the Best Odoo Partner Alliance, we bring deep expertise in multi-company environments and have a strong network here with local partners in almost all countries. There's of course much more to explore. The best way to see Odoo Accounting in action is through a live demo with us. So contact us today to discover how Odoo Accounting can transform as well your business. Thanks a lot for your attention and see you in the next episode of Why Odoo.